everybody, it's Jean here. I am just walking down to see the progress at our bridge because I think our lovely little bridge is gone. Wow. I looked out earlier. Oh, it's cold. I looked out earlier. Oh, wow. And yeah. They were working 6 o'clock in the morning. Oh my word, the workers come early, which is nice. Now, if you've been watching, I don't have a life. It's like exciting. Ooh, our bridge is gone. And I've been coming down here, not when the workers are here, because I don't want to think I'm creeping on them. But boy, oh my goodness. Now you remember, I'll put up a picture of what our lovely little 110-year-old bridge looked like. Over our creek, which has been giving us problems. But here, folks, is it. That our lovely bridge, our lovely arched bridge over this creek, which has given us so many problems. But it does not look, oh boy, it does not look as if they're widening the creek any. This is the creek that's giving us problems here with flooding. We have this large pump going, pumping it, I suppose, so they can be working on it. They dammed it up to a certain extent, but this pump is bringing it through this culvert over there under the road, coming out on the other side. But they've not taken this away. In fact, they've almost put rocks here. So it looks like that's the span of the bridge. They have shored up that side. I mean, it looks so much wider than when the bridge was there. Of course, because we're looking at the entire road surface from here to there. So obviously the bridge supports are going to be here, but the whole point was to see if the creek could flow better. Oh well, as our kids were saying, you know, they were like, "Mom, get stuff out of the basement. What are you going to do about it?" And I think, yeah, there's a worry. But who knows? We do know that the bridge is currently, is it 32 feet span, and it's going to be, I believe the plans show it's going to be 45 feet or 42 feet, something like that, or was it 38 to 42 feet? It's a few feet wider, the actual span. But yeah, wow, this was our woods at one point. Very beautiful woods. Not so beautiful anymore. Oh well, it'll be nice. The guy said the plans for the bridge is to, obviously it's not going to look as quaint as it did and beautiful as it did 110 years ago, but apparently the bridge design has a nice stone facade on it. It's a prefab bridge, and I must say, they started this is just the end of the year. They started this in the beginning of December. Wow, they have done a tremendous amount of work. Really a tremendous amount of work. I'm quite impressed. Somebody said, why couldn't they have done it in the summertime, right? It's been a wintertime project, which doesn't make a heck of a lot of sense, but these are the big, we had walked up here the other day. Oh wow, yeah, and these are the big machinery that Maxwell's like, oh, I want to drive that. Yeah, they're digging away. They are digging away. So obviously major road works, major road building. There's that pipe going under the culvert, going underneath and feeding out to the creek there. So, oh, someone's on a four-wheeler. Oh, that's fun. One of the neighbors far away. So anyway, I know you guys have been following the works and everything that's happening, and been very kind and commiserating on our woes of this flooding, which is new, really. It's lovely. Someone with a four-wheeler. It's awesome. Maxwell needs to get his out. He's been having a wonderful time. So anyway, I just wanted to check in and show you the progress. Our bridge is gone. And maybe it won't take the 6 or 7 months that they say. They're making an incredible amount of progress. They really are making a tremendous amount of progress. So, oh, we have, and as you can see, the road sign here, that's there, and then the one is up here. The road people are not turning around as much. We had the foreman, the gentleman, move the sign up here on our road, but still some people are turning around. It's ridiculous, which was a pain in the neck. Oh my goodness, it was terrible. People coming right in our U-turn, right in our U-shaped driveway, right next to our home. I'm like, what part of road closed don't you understand? But it's getting a little bit better. Anyway, I think we're supposed to get some either rain or snow. Hope it stays cold enough to snow again. It's chilly out. Maxwell and I had a lovely day today. Went shopping, all masked up and everything. And yeah, he's a big help. So anyway, I just wanted to say hello to everybody, give you an update on what's happening, my exciting life. And hope you're all staying safe and healthy. All right, thanks again, folks. See you later. Bye.